Okay, so here I am with the Roulette player and one of the casinos I use to test my scripts on, which is casino.com. And what I'm going to basically do is explain to you the design section of this particular tutorial series, which is Let's Play tutorial series. All right. So here I am. I want to go to Table and Card Games, European Roulette. Right. So here is the table. Right. Let me just minimize this. Okay. So go to My Projects. New. Oops. Cancel that. My projects. My projects explorer. There. All right. Click on. Move this out of the way because I know it gets in the way sometimes. And I want to click on New. All right. To create a new project. Okay. Enter in the new name. So I'm going to call it Let's Play. Like so. And go to Unit 2. And make sure I save it. Save all. Unit 2, Unit 1, let's play. Okay, so it's saved. Alright. So far so good. And we've got the basic interface here. Alright, basic interface. We've got the frame red. We've got the properties and we've got the objects. Alright. Now, what are we going to put on to this form? Right? What are we going to put on there? What objects are we going to put on to this form? Right? So let's take a look at the casino table. One of the first things we would like is the balance. Right? So we're going to put the balance on here. We want something where we can see the numbers come in. You know, the black numbers, the green or the zero number, and the red numbers. Right? We also want to be able to bet on the table somewhere, right? So we want to bet on black, we want to bet on red, right? And in this tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to do that. Plus, I'll show you how to bet on the first dozen, the second dozen, and the third dozen. Okay, so we'll be placing chips on those as well. All done with this fairly easy interface to work with, right? So, okay, so we want to add in the balance, right? Okay. So go into add an edit field, like so. We want to put a label above it, and we want the caption to read balance. Simple. You might want to change the font size so you can actually read it. So go to font, go to size, and type in 12. Okay, simple as that. In the edit field, okay, here's the name of the field, which is edit 1. We want to change that to balance, like so. And we don't want, actually we want to put some text in here, in the text area where it says edit balance. We want to put in 1000. So we know that we've got to put in some numbers into this edit field. Alright, easy. So we're just basically creating an interface for our table, right? So far so good. Now, continue because we want to keep it open. Next thing I want to put in is some sort of way to represent the numbers. Right, so, and the way I do that is create 3 memos. Okay, so here's the memo here. We want to type in with the edit field, which is lines. So memo 1, we want to type in the number 24. Alright, because it's a black number, and as you can see up here, okay, we've got the number 24, right? So there's a number 24 right there. Click on OK. Now, so far we've got the number 24 in here. Now, here we can actually change how it looks. So we can go to font, change the font size. You can make that 12, like so. You can change the color or the background color. Where are we? Color, right? So color, and we want to change it to black, like so. I want to change the font color to where are we? Color. And we want to change it to white or something, or yellow, like that. And we want to make it style and probably bold, like so. Alright, and that's pretty much all you need to do with this one. Okay, so here is the number. We want to make 3 copies of this, so you go edit, copy, right? Click somewhere on the screen and then click on edit and then paste. Then move it to the right hand side. Now we change the information there. So we change the color to green, lime green, and we change the lines, we change it to 0, like so. Click on OK, and we're done. Also, we want to make that alignment center. Right, so the numbers come in to the center. So far so good. So we copy the 24 one again, copy it, click on the form, click on paste to paste it in, move it to the right hand side here. Okay, now we change the color to red, like so, and we change the alignment to right justify, like so. And there are the 3 numbers that you can come in and put into the edit field. So we're going to change the number here, so it's what, 25? So we know what we're talking about here, which is lines and 25. Alright, okay, done. We also want some way to see what's happening on the board. So I usually put a memo on to the form, like so. Okay, so easy. We want to put in a button, so we can click on start and stop. Okay, so here we type in start, like so. Copy it. Right, click in the form and then click on paste. Oops. Copy. Paste. There we go. Done. Now we can change the name to stop. Okay. Start and stop. We can now close the casino. We don't need that anymore. Alright. We know it's working. So we're writing a script to get it to work. Alright, so here we are. Alright, so there's the memo. We've got a start, we've got a stop button. Okay, and we want to put in also to run it in random mode. So I want to maybe put in 2 radio buttons. Okay, one here, and then another one underneath it. Okay, so change the name to go to random, like so. This one here in real mode. Select it all, type in real, play. Just like that. Okay, make sure you save your work, save all, click on run to run it, and that's what it looks like. Fairly simple interface. We've got a balance, we've got some numbers in here we can put in, and a memo, start and stop button, and random or real play. So far, so good. Okay, so make sure you save it, or save all. Okay, you can now close it. Right, click on the Roulette My Projects, click on refresh, and you can see let's play here. Okay, display name, play, right, tutorial. Tutorial series, how to design done. It's a free project, Playtech. Okay, and then you click on done. I think it's done. Yep. Update project details. Done. Close it. And here we are on the Roulette player. Click on refresh. And it should show up. Oh, I forgot to put it on public. Okay, forgot to save it on public, which is this one here. Okay, so you can actually see it. Update project details. Click on OK. Close it. Now click on refresh. And there it is there. Right. And here's the information I typed in. So there's a really basic startup for this particular script and this particular interface. So it's really easy to do, to create. You click on run to run it. And as you can see, it's up and running. Very easy to do. Now if you want to set up with a casino, right? Okay, so here's the casino. Here's the Roulette player. Alright, click on run to run it. Say yes. Select the casino you want to play with. Click on OK. And there it is there. Very easy to do. Anybody could do that. Thanks for watching.